Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to go from this to this. First things first, we will need to clean and have the paint be prepped for our project. I like to take the car down to the car wash, especially if it's a nice sunny day. Enjoy the drive. You might be able to run a couple errands like fill up on gas. Here's a quick tip for you. If you put the defrost on full blast while you're running through the car wash, it will leave the interior smelling good. Now that the car is clean, let's take a look and inspect the damage. You can see the scratch goes from the fender to the door. We're going to go ahead and buff out the surface scratches and apply touch-up paint wherever needed. Prep is the most important. We're going to go ahead and use our surface prep cleaner to wipe down any wax and grease or tar that might be on the panel. Remember, this is key to obtain the best result, whether you're buffing, polishing, or just applying touch-up. You can clearly see there is still some residue on top of your finish even after the car wash. Now that the surface is clean, we're going to go ahead and use our Rupus along with the compound to remove the heavier, deeper scratches. It's always good to maintain in motion, move back and forth through the panel, up and down. Make sure you go over all the scratches. Depending how deep the scratches are, you might have to go over it a couple times with some compound. Once you see enough progress, go ahead and stop. Wipe your panel down to check your progress. It may be necessary to go over it again with the compound. If you feel you've achieved your progress, go ahead and switch your pads and go ahead and move to polish. When polishing, I like to start from the main area and work my way out. Polish is a lot more forgiving than compound. You can go over and over and over your panel with it. You are less likely to cause a burn on the paint or the edges. Make sure you wipe down, inspect your panel to see that you're achieving the performance you'd like. You can continue to polish, usually till you see a good reflection of yourself in the paint. You will know that those scratches are gone and you've achieved ultimate polishing success. Do remember to go over the entire panel edge to edge, even the door handle. That way the whole panel looks uniform and it doesn't look like you have just buffed and polished one spot in the panels. Ensure you wipe down any polish and remove it from the panel real good before applying your touch-up paint. Before you apply the touch-up paint, it is important to vigorously shake the bottle. Next, apply your paint using a dabber or your touch-up brush in a dot-to-dot pattern. Using this technique will give you the best results. Do not smear it on. Whether you're working with rock chips, large scratches, small scratches, or just a ding, it's always best to just be patient, and small dabs is the technique and the key way to go. Now you might have to go over some areas, especially where the scratches or rock chips are deeper, to achieve ultimate coverage. Remember that doing touch-up is an art. You're gonna have to be patient. Remember, this is your baby, it's your car. The more patient you are, the probably the best finish you will have and the best results you will achieve on your car and taking care of its finish. Ultimately, after being patient, you will be rewarded with your glossy finish on your car. You will have saved thousands from taking it to a body shop or a detail shop.
ReadyCarPaints.com is the cutting edge in color matching technology. Ready Car Paints delivers performance you can count on and expert service you can trust. Visit us today at ReadyCarPaints.com.